Hello, my friends. My name is Serge Kajevnikov. I am a research scientist in Czech Technical University, and also I have 10 years experience in IT, especially in multi-agent technologies. And today we'll talk about very interesting topic, managing complexity of smart cities as urban ecosystem, and the future vision of the smart city. Working with the concept of the smart city, you will realize that every modern city is a complex system. And you can take a look on the city from the different perspectives. For example, from the environmental perspective, trees, parks, rooftops, car emission, and other aspects. Also, you can take a look on the city from the energy perspective. Somehow, in modern cities, we need to deal with the energy, water, hot water, clean water, gas supply, and demand. On the other hand, the smart city is also about Wi-Fi, GPS, smart sensors, cameras, and other hardware devices. So we can say that every modern city is a complex system because it's composed of many components which may interact with each other. Behavior is difficult to model. The system is alive and constantly developing. It is adaptive and self-organizes. It evolves in all its spheres, and many of the elements have different contradictory KPIs. On the picture, you can see only several of the elements. City residents with different requests, taxi, working offices, restaurants, infrastructure, and different communication protocols. The attempt to create a smart city is the attempt to manage the complex system. The review of the recent publications shows that major problems of fast growing is the lack of interoperability. Smart services solve local tasks working on a certain small amount of data provided by city government. No good examples of cooperative or better co-evolutionary work of smart services. More and more sensors are needed to build a smart city based on Internet of Things. The problem, how to handle a large number of heterogeneous mobile sensors and devices, and too many data, and we don't know how to store it and how to use it. Current trends of the smart city development show that open standards and frameworks of smart city data. Current trends of the smart city development are open standards and frameworks for smart city data use, standard IoT protocols and organizational principles for semantic descriptions of collected data, involvement of users in digital ecosystems, general programs and actions plans to achieve the better quality of living. And smart city should function as a single organic ensemble. And for sure, we need to create open platform for encapsulating information and knowledge about the city. But the most interesting from our perspective, that's the trend for intelligent, distributed, autonomous approach based on smart agents and move from central control to a collaborative network. So I want to present our future vision of the smart city. And from our perspective, the smart city should be characterized by the cooperation of artificial intelligence and humans and can harmoniously balance all spheres of life and contradictory interests of different city actors. The main challenge in creating the future vision of the smart city is the contradictory interests of different smart city actors. The city, for example, must save and protect its history and architecture, but create opportunities for business and growth. Be environmentally friendly and have green areas, but also have a good transport infrastructure and offer numerous of parking lots. Be comfortably lightened in the evenings, but at the same time energy friendly. Be an attractive center for tourism, education and culture, and sport for sure, but also comfortable, quiet and peaceful for its residents. There are many concepts and frameworks creating smart city, but we decided to create another one, the new one. The main idea of this concept is to create a smart city where almost everything is working together as one ecosystem. The idea is to define resource and demand providers and combine them in one space. Every element in the city wants something or provides something. So we want to collect all resources and demands in one cloud and match them. This we want to use resource demand model. We have described every component as a producer or a consumer. As a consumer, it can have a demand or maybe several demands. Another element can be a producer. The idea is to join them. On this slide, you can see the general principles of the smart city of the future. The future and truly intelligent and comfortable Smart City 5.0 should be designed on the following principles: common semantic space, digital ecosystem of smart services, and personal engagement of every element and every citizen of the city. The main elements of the future platform are defined in our solution as semantic data space, decision-making engine, intelligent or IE services, city twin, smart services, and personal agent of citizens. On this slide, you can see the main architecture of the digital platform, of the future digital platform that we want to offer as our future vision. Main layers are technology level and service level. The technology level can have several instruments. The service level consists of different elements providing real services for users. Every service in this platform can be functionally unique, but can be part of a bigger smart system. Example, the small system controlling current situation and analyzing the future energy consumption in one flat and apartment can be part of the bigger energy system of the whole block or the whole building or maybe the whole area. In my conclusion, I want to say that the concept of the Smart City 5.0 provides a new vision of a city as a digital platform and ecosystem of smart services. Agents of people, things, documents, robots, and other entities can directly negotiate with each other, providing the best possible solutions for formed demand. I want to say thank you for your attention, and if you're interested in this topic, in our future video we can discuss the real examples, how to create smart city services in the concept of 5.0, smart city ontologies, and many other interesting topics. Thank you.